had a variety of paths. I've had a strong nursing background prior to coming here. When I came here, I started out as a per diem nurse, which basically meant that I worked as needed. It gradually expanded to the opportunities that they provided me, and I got certified as a diabetes educator. I participated in getting certification for geriatric care. I participated in the Emerging Leaders Program through the Home Care Alliance, and I sit here today in a new clinical manager role, responsible for a whole team and a staff of nurses. A typical day for me now in my new role is changed a little bit because I'm responsible for nurses out in the field. So I need to make sure that their schedules are set, they have all the things that they need in their bags to take care of the patients, address any calls that came in over the night, any sick calls, staffing issues, that sort of thing. Prior to that, as a diabetes educator here, I did go out and see patients. So a typical day might involve going to, and I covered for the whole organization, north and south, so it wouldn't be unusual for me to travel from a north section to the south section in a day to see a diabetic patient. The most rewarding aspect of my job is the ability to go into a patient's home and be on their turf. We're in home care. We're not in a hospital. We're not in a clinic. So you're actually on their turf. You're in their territory. And as the diabetes educator, I had the privilege of going into people's homes and being able to look in their cabinets and refrigerator and look at their food and their meal plan and see what they're really doing on a day-to-day basis and how we can work together to get them on a healthy plan to help manage their diabetes. The toughest challenge I face as an educator is understanding that patients have the right to make the wrong choices. So even though I might have a goal for a particular patient and I know the amount of carbohydrate they should be eating at each meal or how much medication they need to take or the frequency of the medication that they should be taking, they might have a different goal in mind and not think that that's important. So my role is to understand that they have the right to make that wrong choice, but teach them the ramifications of their decisions that they're making. I think the toughest challenge that's going to face healthcare in general for healthcare professionals and VNAs across the board will be budget cuts that are coming down the pike from the government. The NVNA in hospice is prepared for that. We have high quality staff. We put a lot of emphasis on training, resources, tools, technology to provide quality care to our patients to weather the storm that's coming down the pike.